Awesome, awesome, folks. So it's about this time that I want to announce a few things. In the back of the convention center, in the back, straight back, we have 8 vendors that came in tonight. 8 vendors. If you would please check out what they have, their wares on their... back to the campaign and have a great time tonight. We love you guys, and we all love John, President Donald J. Trump. Thank you guys, the Secret Service, everybody for volunteering that came out today to make this a great and wonderful evening, and the evening is just getting started.
Sir, thank you for having us here. We appreciate you. Thank you.
And I want to throw one more. Thank you. I want to throw one more thank you. All you veterans, if you're a veteran, stand up. Thank you, veterans. Thank you, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, as we close out here, I want to go ahead and thank Sobots and the officers and gentlemen, Andrea, Christina, Anthony. And gentlemen, are you ready to bring this on?
know where else I'd rather be on my birthday. It's Flag Day. My birthday. And right here with thousands of proud American patriots from the great state of Florida. Let me begin by saying to everyone all across South Florida who were affected by the recent flooding, our prayers are with you. That was rain like few people have seen. Floridians are tough, and we will pull through it and pull through it quickly. And I just want to wish you all the best. We love you. God be with you. That's tough times. Right now, China. They occupy one of the biggest air bases in the world, with the biggest runways, most powerful, strongest runways, deepest concrete. That was when we knew how to build, and we built with big dollars, and we built it, we gave it up, just left. 1 hour away from where China, that China is occupying it. It's a disgrace there. But you know what? These Secret Service guys are stars. They always run up and grab them. They see he's a big guy. But I imitated him not long ago, and I did the full imitation. Then I ended up walking into a wall. And I said, baby, how good was that? How great was I tonight? We had some crowd. That was a massive crowd. How good was I? You were really good. You know, usually she'll say, I didn't like your hair. I say, how good was I? You didn't look good. Your hair was terrible. I said, who else can get crowds like I get? It was a love fest. Now we get the biggest crowds in the history of politics. I hate to say it. And by the way, if it weren't true, they would be saying it would be headlines. But I said, who else can get these numbers? You tell me, how good was it? And she'd say, you know, you saw tips. You know how I did that? It wasn't really a lot of study, a lot of work. I've been hearing about it for years, how unfair it is. And Biden just passed a set of regulations that make it impossible for waitresses and people that get tipped, any people getting tipped. He passed something that makes it impossible. But I've been hearing it. Last week I was in Las Vegas at a beautiful building that I built in this great, the Trump Hotel. And I'm having, and I was having dinner with a group of people on the campaign. And the waitress came over, she was very nice, and I said, if you could have any wish, what would it be? She said that we get rid of the taxes or tips. They're so vicious. You know, they hired 88,000 IRS agents to go after